Welcome to Learn English Today. Simple present tense sentences. I learn English. I learn English. You like tea. You like tea. He goes to school. He goes to school. She reads books. She reads books. It works well. It works well. We study together. We study together. They play football. They play football. Present continuous tense sentences. I am learning English. I am learning English. You are drinking tea. You are drinking tea. He is going to school. He is going to school. She is reading a book. She is reading a book. It is working well. It is working well. We are studying together. We are studying together. They are playing football. They are playing football. Present perfect tense sentences. I have learned English. I have learned English. You have drunk tea. You have drunk tea. He has gone to school. He has gone to school. She has read a book. She has read a book. It has worked well. It has worked well. We have studied together. We have studied together. They have played football. They have played football. Present perfect continuous tense sentences. I have been learning English. I have been learning English. You have been drinking tea. You have been drinking tea. He has been going to school. He has been going to school. She has been reading a book. She has been reading a book. It has been working well. It has been working well. We have been studying together. We have been studying together. They have been playing football. They have been playing football.